Hello, good day, guys. My name is Adili Jishina Folanosho. On this channel, I will be teaching you guys how to make money online. Exactly. Anything that comes, anything that I see, I will make sure that I post it to you for you guys to see first. Exactly. While I'm making money, I will also be showing you how to be making the money as well. On this channel, I just want to do a quickly video. Actually, there is a lot of things online right now that is circulating, how to make money with pixellab, how to do this, how to do that. I've seen a lot of things that many Africans, they have access to their phone more than the way they have access to their laptop. So that's the reason why I'm creating this channel, to show you guys how to make money with your phones rather than laptops, because the amount of laptop is very high. So we find it difficult here in Africa to buy a laptop, but we can buy a phone, because actually there are selling laptop for about like maybe 200,000, 260,000 to 17, whatever. Exactly. You can only see a second hand laptop at exactly maybe 70 to 50,000 naira. But now I'm going to show you how to make a little money. Exactly. So that I'm going to show it to you right away. I'm going to show you a particular what's it called, application called pixellab. That application is what we are going to make use of in this tutorial. Now, how to start from scratch, how to be designing a logo, how to design a flyer. I'm going to teach you everything that you have to know about this particular app. Exactly. This app has a lot of things that you can use it for. Now, let's dive in. I just want to make this video to be short. Exactly. I don't want to waste your time, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell as well. Now, after open this app is going to be different from the one that you are going to download from Play Store. So just go straight to your Play Store and search for pixellab. So let me on my data. So pixellab. So what's wrong with this thing? So pixellab. Let's go here, pixellab. So here is it. I already have it on my phone, so I just have to update it. Exactly. So just click on pixellab. After clicking on that, it's going to take you. Just click on it on your phone to take you here. I'm not going to use this black stuff. Exactly. So this is how the interface will look like. So let's quickly dive into the video. This first thing that we are going to do is to create a shape. Exactly. We are going to do the shape. So just click on the shape. When you click on it, this place is the next thing. So click on it as well and change this rectangle shape to circle. Because of this interface that I'm making use of, it is white, so the shape is also white, so you can't even see what is inside, whether it is circle or something, but you are going to know whether it is circle or not right away. Now, opacity, so you have to decrease the opacity and increase the stroke width, to any length that you want. Is that clear? So I'm just going to leave my home like this and click on done. So after that, drag it from the edge here, not beside but from the edge. Exactly. So after dragging from the edge, now, so the next thing for you to do is click on this plus sign here. Click on the plus sign. No, not the plus sign, please. Yes, this plus sign. So click on shape. After shape, now repeat the step again. Circle. After the circle, reduce the opacity and increase the stroke width. Exactly. So to any length that you want, if you want it to be bigger than this, so you can just do it that way, but I just want my own to be this way, and set it at the middle. Check it very well whether it is at the middle. If it is not at the middle, make sure you place it at the middle, because of the thing that you want to make use of. 54. So now it's at the middle now. So the next thing for you now is just to click on the same shape. Now we are not going to change it to the circle. The next thing we are going to do is just to drag it and make sure you place it at the middle. Place it at the middle. That's the next thing that we're going to do. Now click on done. Just make sure that it's at the middle. So this is at the middle. Now I think it's at the middle now. So the next thing for you to do is to click on this thing that you are seeing here. So click on it. Now come to this place. We are going to merge everything together. You will see that we have like 2 to 3 things right away. We have 3 things. Yes, we have this circle, first circle, second circle, and this third shape. So after that, you are going to click on this thing to merge everything together. Click on it and merge it. After merging, now you come to this place, and click OK. Which shows that you have already merged everything. Now go upstairs here. This upstairs, I call it upstairs. Pardon me. So now click on it so that this thing will go back to where it comes from. Now the next thing for you to do is to look for what we call erase color. This is it downstairs here. Click on it, click on the erase color, enable it. After enable it, click on done. So after clicking on done, you will see that you're not going to see anything at the middle again anymore. So that one will now give us opportunity of writing anything that we want to put inside this the logo that we just created. So the next thing for us now is just to click on this plus sign. Click on the plus sign, click on text. After clicking on that text, now this pencil, click on it, click on the pencil. Now click on the pencil again and write anything that you want to write. So what I want to create now is let me just think of something to create. Now let me just write welcome. Change, do you see this T here? So change it. It means you have to change it to capital letter. Welcome. You can finish writing it before you change it to capital letter. So welcome. Now click on the capital letter sign. So it has changed to this. Now take it here. After taking it there, so now the next thing for us to do now, I'm going to show you some things because this thing has a lot of things. Now click on this A sign. Whenever you are dealing with shape, this is where the thing will take you to, the one at the middle here, this place. I think you can see this place. But whenever you are dealing with, maybe you want to write something, so this is the plus A sign, this A sign, alphabet. So when you click on it, it's going to show you different things. You see, we have different things on that A sign as well. So now, next thing that we are going to do is just to come here. We have spacing, line spacing. But what we want to do, let me show you the difference between spacing and line spacing. Now, when you click on spacing, it means that this welcome, you want a gap to be beside this, to be at the middle of each alphabet. Like, look at it. I think you can see it. So I think you can see. So that's the difference. You can just make it to welcome. So look at this welcome now. I think you can see how big it is. So let's leave it this way. Welcome to. So now that is how to make use of that. But this line spacing, this is the difference. If you want to write something, maybe you want that thing to just be coming down, you want to add something else to this welcome to. So I think you can see it. You can just add something by doing this. When you do that, just click at the middle and put whatever you want to put there. But I'm not going to put anything there right away, right now. So click on the this one. Okay, after that, the next thing that we are going to do, you are going to see a curve. This curve that has ABC, that is what you are going to make use of. You see, when you take it up like this, you see, when you do it this way, you see how good this application is. Is that clear? So welcome to so you have to place it very well. So if you place it this way, if you don't like it that way, just leave it that way. So the next thing for you to do to make you to love it so much is just come to this rotate. This rotates, you see, you can just rotate it to any taste. And if you can see this thing that we are creating now, you will see that this thing is beneath this, what is it called, this shape. You have to take it to the front. I'm coming. So welcome to, so this application, it has so many things that you don't even think of. There are so many things that this application has. Now, position. You can position your text. You see, you can also position your text to the text, to your text. Pardon me. Exactly. I think you can see it. You can see what this thing is doing. So now, don't even bother about this one. So I want you to create I don't want this video to be longer than this. I want you to create your own as well. So I'm going to do some things now, and I'm going to show you my final result in the second video. Thank you very much.